Okay, here we are back in Mr. Grant's history class, and we're going to do a brief little lesson on the term mercantilism. This is one of your vocab words, so hopefully this helps you understand the concept a little better. Mercantilism is an economic system that, this system has a few parts to it, and one part is the mother country. This is the country that's in charge, and the mother country acquires a colony. And the purpose for this is to increase the mother country's wealth, right? The colonies exist for the mother country to get wealthy. So one example of this, and this is just so you can understand it, would be that the colony has a lot of trees. And the trees represent lumber, wood, things you're going to build with. And that is a raw material. Now, the mother country needs the lumber. So it pays a little bit for the lumber. We'll say $1 sign. So now that the mother country has lumber, what will happen to it? Well, the mother country will take the lumber and they will manufacture a product. And in this case, I'm creating a chair. A chair is a finished good. You could also say manufactured good. All right, so now we have the colony selling their lumber to the mother country taking the lumber, turning it back into a finished good, a product, a chair, and then that product being sold back to the colonies. Okay, now notice the chair was sold for $3 signs and the raw material for $1. So that provides a positive balance of trade for the mother country. And the goal of the mother country is to get wealthy. So the more land it has, the more trade it can conduct, and the more gold it hopefully can acquire. And that gives it wealth and power. Now, there's one more part that's required for mercantilism to exist, which is regulation. All right, and that means rules. So this economic system has rules. And the number one rule for mercantilism is that the colony can only trade with the mother country. So that guarantees the mother country can get whatever price they want for the raw material. So in this case, the mother country has control and they're always going to have a positive balance of trade. Now, without regulation, this lumber, the raw material the colony has, could be sold to other places. Maybe they want to sell it to France, maybe Spain, maybe Italy. In each case, these places may be willing to spend more than the $1 symbol to get the raw material. Unfortunately for the colony, because of regulation, they're not allowed to sell to these other countries and they have to accept the price that the mother country is offering for the product. Now, you can imagine if you're the colony, how you would feel about this. You have the opportunity to sell your product for $2, but you're told you can only accept $1 and you have to take it from the mother country. So that's the system of mercantilism in a nutshell. And there's a number of other rules that would restrict the colonies from being able to do business with people other than the mother country.